Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, delivery optimization won't turn off in Windows 10. Type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Delivery Optimization Service. Click Properties. Displayed access is denied. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click DOSVC. Double-click Start. Change value to 4. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. Delivery optimization is successfully disabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.